Install OpenClaw on Ubuntu 24.04. OpenClaw, the AI that actually does things. So we are going to install it on Ubuntu. This is the single command to install. Copy this. Open the terminal. Run the command. Now run the command to install the OpenClaw. It is detected Windows. It's detected Ubuntu, Linux, and now it is installing the Node.js. Git install configure npm for user local installs, npm configure for user installs, installing OpenClaw 2026.1.30. openclaw.ai. OpenClaw is installed successfully. Now we have to configure it. So I understand this is powerful and inherently risky. Continue, yes. We'll go for the quick start. Since I am going to configure Olama, I will skip it for now and go for all providers. Keep current default Anthropic. Messages I will configure later. So skip for now and configure skills now. Yes. Yes. npm. Skip for now. Skip for now. Gateway service is installed. Completion installed. Completion installation. Completion installed. Restart your shell. Okay. So we have successfully installed. OpenClaw.